afternoon, everyone.
Ma'am.
Can I have smile on your faces for this lovely session? Do you know the topic of this session? On what topic we are here to discuss about? Definitely you must be knowing because your class teacher must have told you before. May I know? I want everyone to speak. Yes, what is the topic? I remember the topic. You know what? Yes? Very good. Clap for her. What's her name? Yes, Sanvira. She knows the topic that leadership, it is leadership role play. What do you understand, stand up? What do you understand by leadership role play? Yes, you stand and think. Anybody here? What do you first understand by leader? Who is a leader? Who is a leader of a team or of a group? A person who
Guide their group.
very good, stand up. A person who
Guide their group.
stand up and say your answer, ma'am. Please capture is a person who guides the group is always a leader. A person who guides the group. Another thing, what a leader should do? Please speak up. Yes. Which class is this today? 7A. Okay, this is grade 7A. So you got this opportunity to discuss over here in the collaboration zone. Are you feeling very excited?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you know you have to participate fully and completely. Understood? Participating means involving into the discussion. Think and speak. Don't hesitate. Be confident. Stand up and speak. This zone is all yours. And let's begin with the topic of today's discussion. And I am sure that you all know about the theme, today's theme. What is today's theme? Okay, yes please.
Leadership role play.
Okay. Is she right? Yes. Do you agree that we are going to discuss about leadership role play? What do you understand by leader? Just now I got few answers. That the leader is a person who takes decision. Anything else? A leader? Please stand up and answer. Put it down your placards.
And guides his group.
Yes, of course, a leader has a quality to guide his group, his team, and he is a person who listens to the other team member. Do you think a leader should only dictate and instruct and never listens? Will he be a leader? Then, no. A leader should take decisions and should always give clear instruction. I want to just ask one question here. What do you mean by clear instruction? What do you mean by clear instruction? A leader should give clear instruction. This is very simple question. Please try. Any one of you can try. Next. I understand instruction means communication between the team members and the leader. But clear, this word. Can you tell me why clear instruction? I will tell you. If the leader will not give the clear instruction, don't you think there will be a confusion in the team? And if there is confusion, do you think the team will work on the right direction to reach the mission and goal? No? So this is also very, very important. And the other point which I would like to tell you is a leader should always solve problems. You should be a problem solver. Very important. You should help. We should get involved into the activity along with the team members. We should not stand in the corner and dictating and instructing others. That is a real leader. And there are various traits of a quality of a good leader, but one more is which I feel is important. Yes, Alia from that time she's raising her hand.
A real leader should be equal for everyone.
Yes, very good. Sit down. So now I would say the last point, and that is the leader encourage, always encourage each member of the team. What will happen if the leader will not encourage? What will happen if the leader will not encourage? I want the answer from each one of you, and then I'm going to invite Bharti ma'am for continuing this session. So please stand up. What do you think if the leader will not encourage? What will be the result? You think? Stand up. Why a leader should encourage his or her team?
Because the team members should not give and confidence to speak and do work confidently.
Clap for him. Very good. Sit down. Why do you think the leader should encourage his team? Why do you think that the leader should encourage his team? Very good. Why do you think the leader should encourage the team? Stand up, answer quickly, quickly. Why a leader should encourage his team? Stand up everyone. I want all of you to be a leader of tomorrow. I want to
If leader will motivate, encourage their team, their
motivate
teammates
is
will
the
have
right word.
their motivation.
say again, calm down.
If leader will encourage their teammates, the teammates will get motivation to work on the thing they're
Very good. If the leader will encourage his teammates, of course they will get the motivation to work. Stand up. Why the leader should encourage his team members? Stand up, stand up. Be an active member of the session.
A leader should encourage his team, because if the person will not get the motivation, he will not do the work. And
Give his 100%. Yes, very good. Why the leader should encourage? Yes. What are the qualities of leader? One quality, only one quality you think that there should be in a leader. Yes. Shh. Can I have the silence, please? Stand up. What are the qualities that you think there should be in a leader? Yes.
problem solving skills.
Very good. Problem solving skills. Can you little bit explain what is problem solving skills?
If there is any chaos or something or